RVers, and we have a Tab 400 2021 Boondock, and we are learning a lot of lessons, and they're fun lessons as we travel long-term and short-term.
Yeah, so we thought it would be a good idea to share the good and the bad experiences that we've had RVing, and so this is the start of our journey in Sheen's bean.
Yeah, and since my name is Sheen, this has the look of a bean. That's how the name got started. But today is cleaning day, and we've been on a 7-week adventure, came back and cleaned. We went on a long weekend adventure this weekend for bird photography, and we are cleaning. And one of the things that we learned very quickly, that in a teardrop, and by the way, these videos apply to teardroppers as well, is that when you're making a bed in a teardrop, it is work. Not only is it work, it's a workout. We're going to show you actually a quick, easy fix that makes making the bed much, much easier.
Come on, it's just a small little bed. What's so hard about that?
Easy for
I haven't
him
had
to
any
say.
trouble making it.
Yeah, easy for him to say since he hasn't done it one time.
But
how many times have you made the bed?
A lot. In the house.
In the house, okay. A teardropper is very different for those of you that have already had this experience. So bear with us, and we will show you with one extra queen sheet how this is done, and you will be very happy. So the trick that we found, since Dave has already admitted he doesn't make the bed in the teardrop, the trick that I found was using an extra queen sheet. So let's first talk about making a bed in a teardrop. When you walk into the teardrop, you have one side you can work from. The rest is all enclosed, and then you have 3 mattresses to contend with. When you wrap the mattresses, when you want to get into this storage compartment, you're trying to lift the center mattress, everything's being held down, the other 2 want to stay down. It just becomes a game of tug of war. And so what we did is come up with a different approach in making the bed. So the solution of working with a queen sheet is to wrap the 3 mattresses with the queen sheet so it starts to function as one unit, just like our mattresses on our beds at home. So basically what we have done is lay out a queen fitted sheet onto the teardrop platform, and then I started with the right side, and I just pushed in the mattress into the right side. Then I went to the left side, pushed the mattress into the queen fitted sheet on the left side. Then what I will do is take the center mattress push that in, wrap it. Now I have one unit to work with. I'm going to put my mattress topper next, then I'll put the fitted sheet over the whole unit. Now what I'm going to do is add our mattress topper, which we absolutely love. It just added another layer of padding. I like a little more cushion. Even though the mattresses that came with the new camp are great, Dave loved it as is, I just chose to go with a mattress topper. Alright, so I've laid my mattress topper down, so the next step I'm going to do is just tuck this in just like I did the mattresses. Now I'm ready to put the mattress pad on top. So we've got our queen bed surrounded and encased with a queen fitted sheet. Here's our mattresses. Remember, there were 3 mattresses. They're now operating as one unit. I put my mattress topper on, stuffed it in, and now I'm going to wrap this around the whole mattress set so everything operates as one. So now each corner is going to get wrapped with the mattress pad. So here's what the near final product looks like before we're putting the sheets on. Is now I've got my mattress pad, and if I need to get under here, it is so easy because now the 2 mattresses are not pulling the weight down of the center mattress. It's one unit, and it makes it much easier to change the sheets. So finally, we're ready to put these sheets on the bed. So I've got the fitted sheet, and I'm getting ready to place it around. Again, the whole unit that operates together, which is really nice. So what I'm going to do is start with a corner, and I'm going to work around the clock to put the sheet on. The fitted sheet is tucked in, and we're now ready to put on the top sheet and blankets. What I have done here is I have laid out the flat sheet and the blanket, and you'll notice on the edges that they're folded back. That's the area that's going to get tucked in underneath the mattress. And that's an easy way to make it go a little bit quicker. So you do the sheet and the blanket together. One time you have it laid out, folded back, ready to go. Sheets and blanket are all tucked in, and we're ready for the next step. Okay, this is the favorite part of making the bed, and that's putting on this big, soft, cozy blanket. And just because we're camping doesn't mean we have to feel like we're camping when we're sleeping. So that's one of the reasons why having nice, clean sheets, a bed that's made, and nice, cozy blankets makes a difference in the RV experience for us. So I've laid out the blanket that goes on top, and it's not going to get tucked in the back. It's just going to be laid across, and I'm only going to tuck it in the front. And this is a twin size blanket. Because we're not tucking it in, it doesn't need to be a large blanket, and it makes it very easy to work with when putting the final touch on the covering of your bed. So the bed is made, it's nice and cozy, and we're ready to go camping. You'll notice we have two large blankets at the end. Actually, those are twin-sized blankets as well for extra warmth. On the right of the bed, we have our sleeping pillows, but on top of the sleeping pillows, we have two large 20-inch pillows. That's really for support and comfort for when we're working on our computers. This is one work area for us while we use the cafe table as the other work area. And then our sleeping pillows are underneath. So a year ago, if somebody told me I would be doing a video on how to make a bed in a camper, I probably would have looked at them as if they had grown 3 heads. But here we are today. We're RVers, we're teardroppers, and we're loving it. And one of the things that we have found is that making a bed in a teardrop camper is a lot of work. But simply by doing something as simple as adding a queen fitted sheet, say that fast 3 times, a queen fitted sheet underneath to anchor the mattresses together makes it easy to make the bed every single time. So it was the queen fitted sheet, wrap the mattresses, wrap, if you also use a mattress topper, put the mattress topper in there, then cover the whole thing with your mattress pad, and then you're done. And then when you're out traveling and you're just changing your sheets each week, you're not changing the rest, you're just changing the sheets. The process goes so much faster and it's easier. I don't want to say it's fun because it's still work. You're in a teardrop, but it is much easier. So happy bedding and happy camping.